Hello, what's up everyone? I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, this is my third video from the collab with Apna Mobile Showroom, and today I'll unbox the Vivo Y11, and without wasting any time, let's start this. So guys, I have the box with me. This is the Vivo Y11 box. Alright, without wasting any time, let's open up this. And before I do this, let me have a look at what is written. So it is written made in India, and the version which I have is 3GB 32GB variant, and the main highlight of this phone is massive 5000 milliampere battery. And without wasting any time, let's open up. Okay, alright, here it goes. Okay, let's see what's inside this. Alright, here comes the TPU case. It's a transparent case and it's a snuggly, so you don't have to worry about the case. Alright, so let's have a look. What's this? So this is the SIM card ejector from Vivo. It's a high standard ejector, and this is the user manual. This is the user guide. Let's give this aside and let's see what's this. This is the user guide, quick start guide from Vivo. Okay, let's keep this aside and let's have a look at the phone. So here comes the phone. Let me keep this cover aside. Alright, so let me remove the plastic from the phone. Okay, here it goes. Okay, so here comes the phone. It's a beautiful phone, and the Vivo claims to be a jet green. It looks premium. Now let me keep this phone aside and let's see what's inside this box. So here comes the charger. It's a standard charger. It's a 10-watt charger from the Vivo. So, and let's see whether it is Type-C or USB cable. Alright, so it is a USB cable. It's a standard USB cable from Vivo. Okay, now coming back to the phone. Okay, now starting from the left hand side, here's the 3.5mm jack, the microphone, and the USB cable port from where you charge your phone, and a speaker grill. And on my right hand side, here's the power on off button, and here's the volume up and down, and there's nothing on top. And on my left hand side, here's the SIM card tray. It's a hybrid SIM slot, so you don't get a dedicated SD card slot in it. The phone has a display of 6.35-inch LCD IPS HD Plus screen resolution. It has a physical fingerprint sensor which is quite fast and responsive. The phone comes with dual rear camera, 13 plus 2 megapixel. And the front camera comes with 8 megapixel. The phone comes with Android 9 out of the box with FunTouch 9.1. The phone runs on Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 processor, which is based on 12nm technology. It has a clock speed of 1.95 GHz octa-core processor. The phone comes in two variants, 3GB 32GB and 3GB 64GB. The phone comes in two colors, coral red and jet green. And as I mentioned earlier, the phone comes with massive 5000 milliampere battery. And the price of this phone starts at 9000. I'll link down the description. If you guys are interested, you guys can check it out. The phone supports Bluetooth version 4.0. The phone supports FM radio, USB 2.0 and USB cable on the go. The only thing lacks is the processor. The processor could have been better for the price segment. The rest all good. The phone does not have Gorilla Glass. The phone has a front glass with plastic back and a plastic frame. So guys, that was the unboxing video of Vivo Y11. And if I miss out any important details, you can comment down below. I'll answer to that. And if you do like this video, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video guys. Peace out.